Buddy and Sophie, and if you guys saw my post from like a couple minutes ago, I posted that I was going to add a new person to the channel for hitting 80 subscribers, and this is my friend Addison. Say hello. You are not a mute person. So, as you can see, I am hitting something and I am squishing something, and we have squishies, and we are going to be customizing them into whatever we want. We went to Walmart and found the worst squishies we could find. I actually got out of the claw machine, and it was very, very bad. Wait, is that the right one? No, you're supposed to be customizing this one. Wrong one. And I am customizing this peach. What? Nothing. Okay. Peaches. It's the camera. Wait, replay. Oh no, won't work. There you go. There you go. Okay, I will. Jeez. Okay. It's fun. It's fun to hit the camera with these. Okay, I will be back. Oh God, put the cramp. Put cramp. Put cramp. Put cramp. Where is the nail polish? Oh God.
This one's my favorite.
I will be back.
Oh. So when she's getting that, we're going to wait here. Sit and wait and watch. Okay, now it's fun now. Now I see how that's fun. 2 hours later. Blue. So we have blue. So for our colors, we already have so far our blue and kind of purple. And she's going to get more colors for our squishies so we can customize them and make them look beautiful more than. So,
Hello.
and she's back. And
Hello. I'm back. I'm back. Hello. Okay. I have all the things we need to use.
so
We have a ton of colors here on the ground. You can't see them. I'm sorry. It's just this is the lowest the camera could get.
So now we are going to customize our squishies.
Yes,
This is what they look like before.
So this is the before. Take a little photo. We don't care if you take a photo of the thing. But remember, this is the before of our squishies.
Okay, now let's start doing them.
Okay.
Okay.
So I might be off with camera because you were taking up a lot of room. Okay. So first thing I'm going to use, I want to use this one. And I'm not really going to show you guys what I'm doing because I'm not in mood. I'm going to do like a really, really crazy peach. I still am doing a peach, but I'm doing it
Woo!
really crazy.
It smells like nail polish.
Yeah. Guys, we're going to see Littlefoot today.
Yeah. You think it's going to be fun?
Yeah. You already watched it.
Yeah.
We are going to Regal Cinemas in Portsmouth.
And when Mom gets home, we're going to ask if we can go shopping and get some LOLs and
yeah, we are
squishies.
probably going to do a video tomorrow. Also, she is my sister.
Yep.
Along with Quinn and Ashlyn, who are also my sisters. I have a ton of sisters.
But they're not here today because...
Yeah, they don't live with us.
Yes, because she...
And then I don't make videos with Addison a lot. Okay. Guys, this is mine so far. I'm just like...
This is mine so far. It's like on the top.
Okay, I'm only going to do a little bit of it. This color.
Does Dad mind if we're doing this?
Yeah. He don't care. Literally, doesn't care.
We just came back from our daycare.
Yeah.
Because our mom.
Our after school thingy.
Yeah, it's an after school.
Also, I won't be doing videos with Addison all the time. Because she is busy a lot.
So you might not even see me a lot.
Yeah.
You'll barely even see me.
She will be on the channel. She is a new addition to the channel. I'm also adding 2 more people, as I said I would. I just need to figure out which one of my sisters want to come on, or which one of my cousins want to come on. But
I'm sure one of your sisters want to come on. Besides, you let me come on, so.
yeah. I let you because you were like the only volunteer at the time.
And I was at the daycare, and we said, "Do you want to sleep over?"
Yeah, you are.
But that we still live with each other. But when we mean sleepover, since
we live in an apartment, basically.
Yeah. So we have a different. We both have different beds. So when I sleep over, that means we
live in an apartment. Yes, downstairs. Why?
I don't know. Sparkly, sparkly. Yeah.
How's it going?
Are you serious? This doesn't even show up.
Which one are you using? Oh yeah, it goes on top of it.
Okay. Making my sparkly. Okay, this one, it looks like it has.
Ooh, this looks really, really cool.
See that?
Okay, I'm making mine a party peach.
Making.
And I bought the green for a reason. Because I'm gonna need the green.
So now I'm using some blue.
Mine's going to be like really sparkly. Okay, so here's a little bit of my peach so far. This is all I have done. Because when you are customizing squishies with nail polish, it is actually very, very hard.
And it takes a while.
Yeah.
Takes a while.
Next one.
And this is my first video doing it with my
Yes. Yes. It's our first video together.
Even though we're sisters and we have the same
Yeah.
apartment. But our other sisters live in a different building.
They are very crazy. No.
And
they live in the apartment right next to us.
Yeah. And sometimes they take a subway.
Yeah.
So we're lucky we live with each other. And some people, some aren't. Sometimes we can't. Sometimes we have dinner with each other. That's fun. I'm making my galaxy.
Oh, you're making your galaxy. Cool. You just said it.
Itchy.
We've been painting for 8 minutes and we've barely gotten anything done. And I'm using a very small brush. I'm making mine like a party peach. I'm doing mine kind of galaxy.
Stop dripping all over me.
Depends. Do you want it to drip all over you, or do you?
How does this look horrible? Sometimes we like to call our work horrible.
Yeah.
But if it's good, we say it kind of looks good. If our mom says we can get LOLs, we will come back on this channel and
we'll come back in the morning or do the live stream.
Or we could do it tonight. If we got,
but it would be live.
So if we can get LOLs, we'll come back and open them. Oh yeah, it looks like it's in a ball. Seriously.
Look at mine. This is what I have done.
This is what I have done. I am going to put
mine
sprinkles.
Kind of looks like a butt. Kind of looks like a butt. And people use this as a butt emoji.
And it's kind of weird how if somebody's at school and they use it as a
butt.
It's weird. So now I'm going to do a different color. Is this
You're just like walking around and like texting, and then somebody sends you a butt. They send you a peach, and then and then they call it a butt. Yeah.
Some
It's just weird.
peaches.
Why are we even talking about this?
Don't know.
Who even brought this up?
You.
Oh, that's sad.
So now I'm waiting for mine to dry.
Yeah, and guys, Aria will be on the stream soon.
Who?
Remember our cousin Aria?
Oh. I haven't seen our cousin Aria in so long, so that's why I forget
You
her
have
name.
never ever seen her in your life. Actually, no, you two go to the same school. I don't go to the same school as anybody in my family. Oh no, I go to the same school as what's her face? Ariana.
And she is so kind. I met her.
Yeah.
She came over and we were like, "Hey girl, what's up?" What's up?
That actually
This is
looks
what
really
mine looks like. It looks like a ball, doesn't it?
good. Yeah.
It's
that looks
inside
like
of a
ball.
ball. You just so now when it's all dry and sticky, that means I'm gonna. I am going to put sparkles all over this. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Oh my god.
Look at it!
Oh
Look at
my
it.
god.
I hope I don't.
Wait, stop. No, stop. Because I'm going to do this. Oh no. Didn't work.
Our mom let us get 2 of them.
No, I won 2 of them out. Yeah, actually, yeah.
Yeah, so
This one I won out of a claw machine. No, the other one I won out of a claw machine. This I just found at
this
Walmart. And
this
it was
one's
very good.
mine.
I won
and-
that for you.
Yeah, and this one's hers. It's much beautiful. So at our daycare, it was kind of good, kind of good.
There's this one really good girl. Her name's Audrina. She goes, ooh, 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 I'm the best. Ooh, ooh, yeah, I'm the best. Ooh.
You're funny.
Yeah, I know. I was voted. It was a tie between me and my friend Aria in school for who in my class for who was the funniest,
And who
the
won?
craziest.
Who
It was a
won?
tie between me and my friend Aria.
So I am putting more glitter around this.
And my friend Aria is not Aria, my cousin. She's
Aria
a different
friend.
Aria. I have a friend named Aria. She's in my class.
She's so cute. I've seen her.
Yes, you have. But only once.
So
And she didn't really talk to you.
barely. She barely is. So her peach is looking so good. And then after we're going to customize our LOL balls.
Yeah, we're going to make custom LOL balls, and that is actually going to be in a live stream. A live stream, remember.
And
Live stream, 15 minutes. In 15 minutes.
so mine looks like it's in a sparkly ball.
Yeah, I'm kind of like doing like galaxy.
Yes,
Not
you are,
much.
girl. So now I'm waiting.
Sorry I'm off camera and not talking a lot. You're kind of off camera.
So this is a good day for customizing our own squishies. Cause
Oh, really? I
Cause
had picture day today, by the way. Yeah,
So-
look at me.
so I didn't. I
already had picture day.
You know, Gwen. I can I stop doing it on myself? So, I'm going to put this in the hole now.
What the heck? No, girl, no.
But there's has a hole.
No, girl, no. No, girl.
Sometimes
No, girl.
we have a fight. We fight.
Yes, that's a lot.
And our
me
mom
and
had
Aria.
babysitting once. So we had to go. Then we were fighting because it was almost dinner time. So.
Yeah, we were fighting for no reason.
Ah!
Oh my god, what? Audio warning.
Unicorn pumpkin. I sing very weird, do I? So this is my
What
thing.
did you say? A unicorn pumpkin? I sing terribly. As you all know, if you guys have watched my singing videos, my music videos.
It is horrible. And she was trying before.
You're
this,
rude.
And she was trying to record violin.
Viola.
Well,
Viola. Viola. Okay. No, let me play for you.
it's going to be
More audio warning. If you
this.
do not want to listen to it, if you do not want to hear something very, very loud, skip to 7 minutes and 45 seconds. If you don't want to hear something loud, here it goes.
Ready?
Oh, wait, it appears royal purple in the camera, but it's actually just purple. Can you go and turn my lights on so they can actually see that it's purple?
Okay.
And I need my book. No,
Like this?
This one? No, that one. That one. Oh god, I almost broke my bow.
How do you?
Whoa. Okay. No, don't sit here because you will be sitting on my book. So skip ahead to no. You're gonna have to skip ahead to 18 minutes and 45 seconds. No, 25. If you don't want to hear something very, very loud and something very, very terrible. Ready? Oh wait, no. Yeah. Let me do it again. No. Yeah, that's how you do it one more time. No. Yeah.
So this
No. This is me playing all the notes at once. Okay. So that was the end of loud craziness.
So now let's see if mine is dry. Not even close. Okay, so
You're just waiting. Just waiting. Waiting. Yes, I am waiting. Yes, I am waiting. Waiting and waiting. I don't even know what I'm singing. Yes, I am waiting. Yes, I am waiting. Yes, I am waiting. Waiting. Also, guys, if you want to see us and meet us, we are going to be at Regal Cinemas in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. If any of you guys live in New Hampshire.
that is watching this.
Yeah. I think some people do.
I'm going out of the camera for a sec.
What are you doing, Addison? What are you doing?
I don't know.
What? You just did it, poop. Oh, yeah. Now I can be in the camera more. Okay. Oh, she's playing with LOLs. Okay, that's fine. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
just gonna be painting. You can skip ahead to when I'm not painting anymore. It's fine. You won't hurt my feelings, but if you want to watch me paint, it's gonna be very, very boring. What the heck did you just do?
We all will win.
What?
Meow.
What? But this is mine so far. It's kind of like a galaxy.
See, it beeps.
What? You are.
You are rolling.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god. What is wrong with you? You are just. Oh my god. So, my friend Nori, you guys, if you guys are friends with me, you will see in my friend list that I have a friend. Her name is Nori Corn. Her actual name, her username is Nori Unicorn 1. Her actual name is Nori. I love her so much. She is one of my best friends in my school. And she is like, she's crazy. And today I asked her what was wrong with her. And she said everything. What?
I like to play with the dream house. It's fun.
Oh.
She has a Dixo ball.
Dixel ball?
I'm falling down the stairs.
What? What the heck?
I was like this. Ready? I was like, I'm falling down the stairs.
Oh my god, that must have hurt. I'm just like looking over at her and seeing what she's doing.
Bouncing on the couch.
Oh god, my dog is barking. That's a bad
That's a
sign.
bad sign.
Uh.
What time is it?
What? I don't know.
No.
My laptop isn't up here. I'm sorry.
What?
And I'm recording on my phone. You know I don't have a regular camera yet to record on. I think I'm getting it soon though. I'll ask my mom if she can pick up. Or
You mean
if
our
she
mom?
Can, yeah. Our
So,
mom.
see ya. I'm going up.
Going up what? Start on this step.
Can they see me?
No, they can't.
Ouch. Guys, if you see a rope coming up, that's just me.
No, there's no rope.
There
If you send it down this way, they'll see it. I think.
Can you see my house? Ready, guys? Here comes the rope. Oh, darn, they can't. They can't.
Rope. Oh no! Stop moving it to the side. It's moving to the side. I'm sorry, guys. Okay.
So, send my squishy. Oh, yeah.
No. Who? No. Who? Technical difficulties. Sorry. Oh. Hey!
I can say I knocked you.
This has been the most entertaining squishy makeover in my life.
Because your favorite sister's here.
You are not my favorite sister.
Yeah.
No, Ashlyn is my favorite sister.
Well,
No, I like everybody equally, but I like Ashlyn more than a little bit
now
more
I'm
than
kind of
everybody
scared
else.
getting down.
No, just stay up there.
Can they see the
Actually-
rope?
Actually, yeah, your thing is ready to be.
Oh, let me see. Toss it up. Throw it up. Oh, and up, going up.
Up, banana. Up, banana.
Can I have a squishy?
Happy song and I'm gonna play it. Been so long I forgot how to turn it up, banana. Up, banana. This is my heart. Oh.
Or your
Oh.
turn. Hey, peeps.
Oh,
that is so great.
No, stop. Oh my god, this fell on the carpet.
Uh-oh, that's bad.
No, it's fine. I already have a ton of nail polish on my carpet. I don't care what people say, the rush is worth the price I pay. I get so high when you're with me.
Guys,
You
watch
rush
this.
baby, when I leave. I don't care what people say, the rush is worth the price I pay. I get so high when you're with me, and pressure, baby, when I leave.
Guys, do you want to see something?
Oh, this is my heartbeat song, and I'm gonna play it been so long. We'll turn it up.
Ready, guys? 3, 2. Hey, do it.
What? Oh, that was one tiny squishy. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? My whole workspace. Oh,
Uh-oh.
thanks a lot. Now, that's why you are my favorite sister. That is why you are my least favorite sister.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And I take that as a compliment. Okay, ready?
Take it as a compliment that
Watch, guys. See the squishy? This is a long video.
I know, it's already 26 minutes long. It's because I'm taking so long to do this. Can you actually, like, paint the whole thing? Like, paint the face. Like, make it a galaxy ball. Like, paint the bottom. Like, people are gonna, like, look at it and then squish the bottom. So you, like, need the bottom.
What was that?
A burp.
Like a choking burp.
Yeah.
Been so.
I don't care what people say, the rush is worth the price I pay. I get so high when you're with me, and pressure, baby, when I leave.
What are you singing? What are you singing? See?
Something.
Okay.
I am older than her by, like, 25 days.
No, 11.
You just do the math in your head.
Yes.
No, 12.
This is so.
So I was born on the 24th of December.
This is the funniest thing. She's older, but I'm taller.
Yeah.
We don't want to stand up right now because it will look like she's taller. So here's the face. There's no face.
Get so high when you're with me. Wait, did you paint over the face?
You said.
No, I did not mean that. Hey, look at my, like, weird...
This looks like a
peach.
hash cross bun. Like a bun.
What? A hash course bun? What? Ow! Ow! And me and what's her face called? What's her face? Addison are going to be playing Roblox in a couple.
What? My thing's dead.
I know. I will charge it. Wait, can you use the thing while it's charging?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Well, it has to use 1% when it gets up to 1.
Is it like completely dead?
Yes. I can still use it. So this is it now.
This is mine right now. So this is middle of it.
So I'm adding some more.
It kind of looks like a galaxy, but like not all mixed together.
I thought my brother was going to. Our brother thought because we left.
Let's crash the party.
No, cry because he has never been alone from us.
Yeah, he's never been away from us.
For
my
one
God,
single
this
day. I'm barely in
This
the
is the same exact color as this. Look at guys. Can you see the paint on it? Can you see the paint on it?
Probably can't. So, what do you think Mom would say if we could get 12?
I don't think we can because we're already going out to dinner and then we're going
To the movies.
Yeah. We're probably gonna buy like popcorn and candy and like all that stuff. Wait, we should go to No, we have to go. I wanted to bring you to Chunky's because you've never been to Chunky's before.
I have.
You have?
Yeah, the new one. So I'm going to make
Chunky's
it
is
like a
amazing.
bun.
I love Chunky's.
So like the frost.
It's the best movie theater in the world.
No, comfy seats.
Yeah, it has comfy seats. And you can literally order dinner while you're watching the movie.
Yeah. Why can we not go Chunkies?
Because I have a gift card for Regal Cinemas I got from Ashlyn and Quinn.
Cool.
I want to use it. It's like, why not?
Wait, who's that? And they gave me a Target gift card, $25, and I already spent it. By
Already
getting a
spent
jumbo
it?
unicorn.
Do you have it right
Pick
now?
me pop. No. But I do have you.
Yes, I just wanted to.
Okay. Don't check my pajamas.
I'm not.
They're really cute. You'll be like, I want to poop my pants, bro. What the heck?
No warning. Oh my god. Can I show this? Can
Sure.
I show them this?
Whatever.
It's so cool. I love it. I want to go to Build-A-Bear now.
But we can't. Oh, darn.
Maybe tomorrow we can go to Build-A-Bear.
Oh, darn.
Look at this Build-A-Bear thingy that you got.
And it smells.
Oh yeah, she smells like cotton candy.
Because it is cotton candy, bro. That's Honey Girls.
Oh my god, it's so cute. I love her bangs.
I love how
And the
she...
new trend is like literally like everybody's wearing bangs right now.
Did you know
Like,
something?
everybody wears bangs.
They just changed the thing. So you know
I
how
just
the,
threw-
like Build-A-Bears are like $40
Yeah.
or more?
Yeah.
Now they make an event. How old you are, that's how much you pay for a Build-A-Bear.
Oh my god, I have to pay $11 for a Build-A-Bear.
11?
Yeah. Don't you remember I'm 11?
Oh, right.
You are 11 too.
Yeah. Why do we have to pay stinking $11 for just a Build-A-Bear?
Why $11 for a Build-A-Bear?
If we were 5...
It would be $5.
What if there was a baby one and we were a baby and there was a one? We were one.
$1.
Yeah. Or we were
Wait
zero.
a minute, are we allowed to film and... Oh my god, I just got the best idea ever.
Hmm.
Maybe we can go shopping and we can film it.
No.
We might be able to do it. Or we might be able to do like vlogs and stuff
Here's nail
like
polish.
that. But I'm getting my thing ready. I'm just squishing it.
There. Sasha. Yoink. We're back.
Oh, put it back. Put it back. Put it back, back.
Sauce.
Who wants me to break their audio thing? Did you just fart?
No. It
I heard a
didn't.
fart.
Look.
Stop.
Okay.
You're messing up the camera.
Sorry. Sorry.
You're welcome.
What?
What is wrong with me? Stop. You're messing me up. And that actually hurts because I have like see-through thingies on, and they are so very. They are.
Do you want to get snacks?
So low. No.
I'm hungry.
We'll get snacks later. So shut up, okay?
I'm gonna hit you.
Go ahead, hit me.
Mm.
You just touched me.
Mhm. Here's a good. Mine dry. Oh my gosh! No, I'm not.
Yours isn't. Is yours wet?
Yep.
Very wet.
Do you have earwax in your ears?
What kind of question is that?
This.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
Get off of me. What is wrong with you?
I'm going somewhere. I'm going out, Clark. I'm going out. Dude, see ya.
Oh my god. This is where she is. She's in here. This is my wardrobe. Hello. Just looking up there.
No. I can see you.
I can see you too. Close up of your eye.
Your turn to go in the closet.
Oh, I don't want it. No.
Okay.
I don't want to go in my closet. Okay. Oh, God. Okay, let me...
Can I show you my pajamas?
No, you can't.
Yes, I have to. You'll love them like you'll puke. Okay, ready? It's a unicorn!
What is wrong with me? I'm gonna have to cut that part out.
What?
Me screaming and then falling onto the floor. Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh! Your butt is in my face. No, bad. Get off of me. What are you doing? People, I'm still here. Hello.
Ow!
Yeah.
That's unplugged.
What?
Your phone.
You like that?
No, it's unplugged.